Welcome to Chalk the Block. It's a great art festival. In our ongoing series of teaching you English, we thought it'd be fun to focus on art and all the many different colors that come along with it. So today, we're going to focus on this incredible chalk art. Let's go check it out. When it comes to colors, we're going to start with the basics. The primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. Now, we also have what are called secondary colors, which you have to mix one of these. If I were to mix red and yellow, I would get orange. If I were to mix yellow and blue, I would get green. Now, if I mix red and blue, we would get
purple.
Like your shirt. That's awesome. So, but now we're going to talk about complementary colors. Explain those to us.
So complementary colors would be opposite colors on the color wheel.
Okay.
So opposite of blue would be orange.
Yes. As an artist, what's your favorite color?
I would say blue.
Blue. This painting's going to have a lot of blue. If you look over here, this is the picture which they're using as a reference. See all those blues behind the monkey? They're going to add a lot of blue to this palette right here. Blue is a cool color, and I don't just mean like awesome, I mean cool. See, if we look on this color wheel right here, we got yellow and purple or violet. One would be considered a warm color. Right? Whereas the colors over here like blue and violets and greens are more kind of cooler shades. Yeah, yes. Tell us more about that.
So I guess perhaps with art, you could say that when you're trying to portray different emotions or different scenarios or different situations, it's good to be able to use those warms and cools to kind of project the emotion that you're trying to convey. And so I think with our particular portrait today, we kind of wanted to have sort of that royal vibe, but also just this very proper for a chimpanzee.
Yeah.
So I think the mix of both the warm and the cool give it this really nice balance.
So there you have it. We've had a lot of fun here today at Chalk the Block, and we've learned a lot about colors as well as art and English and how they all combine together. It's almost like a masterpiece, isn't it? So we hope that you've had fun today. Hope you've taken lots of notes. Go practice your English, and we'll see you next week right here on Fluent Worlds.